Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is a very special one. I'm doing cleaning and decorating for fall. If you're looking all over the social media and all over YouTube, everybody are decorating for fall already, so I got an itch to do the same. I live in Alabama and over here fall doesn't come until later, but I still wanted to get that fall feeling at least inside of my house. I'm gonna be decorating outside of my house and front porch later on, maybe in a week or two, but for now I wanted to show you what I have, what kind of decorations I have, and how I decorate inside of my house. Now this is not the final stage that my house is going to be decorated for fall. I'm going to be adding some new decorations if I find something in the store or if I make something in upcoming DIY projects. Also, as the Thanksgiving approaches, I'm sure I'm going to be adding some new Thanksgiving decorations as well. But for now, I really hope you will enjoy this video and I hope you will get motivated to start decorating for fall too and maybe get some new ideas from this video. So let's jump right into it.
First thing, I'm taking everything off of my mantle and I'm going to be cleaning it with Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in a scent of honeysuckle. I wanted something that has a fall scent to it. Next, I am gonna put new branches with the fall leaves inside of my mason jar, and you can see it in the top left corner how I made it. I actually glued the fall leaves on top of the branches. I got those fall leaves at the Dollar General for just $1. And I really like the way that this turned out. I think I'm gonna use this method with adding different kind of things on the branches from now on for every season. I got those branches in my backyard, and for this mason jar I wanted to add something a little extra, and I added a bow made out of raffia. This candle actually is not in a fall scent, but I really like the color, so I decided to put it up here. And these mini pumpkins I got a couple years back and they were on clearance. This bigger pumpkin I got a couple of days ago at Dollar General and it was $5. I really like the way this picture looks up here. I'm not gonna change it up. It has those fall colors and I really like it. I thought this lantern needed something a little extra too, so I added a bow out of raffia too. What I like to do is I like to rearrange things in my house. So for this time I decided to put these decorations in our master bedroom and to bring these arrangements over here. I think they really look fall-like, and since we spend most of our time in our living room, dining room and kitchen, I decided to decorate this area the most. These two mini pumpkins I actually made out of fabric a couple years ago and I still like them, and I put them on the bottom shelf, so if my daughter want to play with decorations, it's totally fine. They are not breakable. This beautiful ceramic pumpkin I got at Ross a few days ago and it was only $5.99. I could not believe it. It really looks elegant and high-end. I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. If you've seen my previous videos, I like to change up the bow on these candlesticks, and this time I am making a bow out of raffia. I really like to use wax melts, and for this fall I am using warm apple pie scent and pumpkin pie diner scent. This big beautiful pumpkin I got last year at Big Lots after the season clearance, and it was only few dollars. I am very happy with it. This checkered pumpkin I actually made a couple of days ago as well, and I also like to put out kids' fall books so they can reach it anytime they want and read it. This cute little sign I got at Dollar General a few days ago for $3. Last week I went to Joann's and I purchased this buffalo checkered fabric for only $6, and I made pillowcases out of them. I made the envelope pillowcase and I added this cute button on it. That's what I like to do. I like to either make or purchase pillowcases. That's the easiest way to add new look to your space. Also, I really like this throw blanket over here. I did not change it. I like the feel that it gives away. I purchased this toasted pecan and cinnamon candle at Michael's for $2.50. This cute sign I bought at Dollar General for $1, and all these things I already had on hand. So that's how I decorated this space. I don't know if I'm going to leave it this way. I will probably add mini pumpkins later on, but for now this is how it looks. If you have not seen my previous video how I made this cute crate, I'm gonna link it down in the description box below or in the cards over here, and you can see it. This cute sign over here I also got at Dollar General for $3. They really stepped it out this year, and you can find really cute farmhouse look decor for very inexpensive. These kitchen towels I got a few years ago, I believe from Big Lots, again on an after season clearance. These table decorations is something that I had on hand and I just put it together. For me, I have to put on a table something that is not breakable, and if it breaks, it's totally fine because my kids are always around the table and my daughter likes to play whatever I put on there.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.